So I'm here off of Highway 281 North. It's a little noisy because of the traffic, but I'm here to give you an update on the construction that's going on in this area. So I live out in Verde, which is north of San Antonio, right off of this highway. And this construction's been going on for a while. And so the traffic can get pretty jammed up. It's about 4:30 right now, so it's rush hour, but as you can see, the traffic is flowing nicely. And they're really making a lot of progress on this highway. I'm gonna take the drone up and give you a better view, but they've been opening little sections at a time, and it's really coming along. It's gonna be really nice when they get this. Happens every time. No, it's gonna be really nice when they get this all opened up. Traffic is really gonna flow well. People who are commuting from Verde, Spring Branch area, or even maybe Canyon Lake and coming into San Antonio, or even out here on the north side of San Antonio and they're going downtown or somewhere, it's gonna make it really easy. It's gonna be beautiful. But let me go ahead and get the drone up and take a look. So I'm over here at TPC Parkway, 281 and TPC Parkway in the TPC Plaza. Right over there, there's a Chili's. You can't see it for the trees, but it's there. There's a BJ's Brew House next to the Chili's. And then there's just a lot of stuff here. I did a feature on this little plaza on my YouTube channel a while back, last summer, I believe. You can check that one out. And there's a lot here, restaurants, shopping, you name it. But that's not why we're here today. We're here because we're talking about 281. And if you can see right over there, the traffic is already starting to build up pretty bad right there. This is probably the worst spot. I don't know why, but it gets really bad right here. So when they open that freeway up top there, man, that's really gonna open things up and it's gonna be nice, it's gonna flow. But for now, it's a bit of a struggle. If you have to go north of TPC Plaza and you're on 281, the thing for you to do would be to take 1604 east to Verde Road and then take Verde Road north. And Verde Road will run back into 281, but it'll be past the point where the traffic is all jammed up. As a matter of fact, it'll get you up there next to where they just opened up that new section by Borgfield, okay? So that's my suggestion for today. But I'm gonna give you another look with the drone and we'll check this area out as well.